Hey folks, it's Russ Fye. Today is Monday, September 8th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. I've been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with all that being said, I thought that I would do a video and talk to you about the 4 secrets to the wealthy life. Because wealth isn't just about money, right? Most people think, oh, wealth is all about money, but it's more than that. It's about security, it's about freedom, it's about making an impact. And so I thought it'd be fun just to talk to you about the 4 secrets to a wealthy life. And the first secret is precious assets, all right? Silver and gold, unlike our paper currency, they're actually worth something. They have real value. They've been used as a currency for thousands of years. All right, so this silver and gold is the real foundation to wealth, not our fiat money, not our paper money that's backed by absolutely nothing, right? We want to stack silver and gold and have something that you can hold, something that's tangible, something that's going to continue to go up in value, and something that we have on hand in case you know what hits the fan for whatever reason, right? I mean, it could be as simple as our banks freezing funds. We've seen that happen before. We've seen credit card companies freeze funds on people. If we ever had an electric grid go out for whatever reason. If the monetary system ever collapses, right? Because we know that our dollar bill is devalued more and more every single day. So having silver and gold on hand is very important to building wealth, because it's the only true currency out there, and it's the only true currency that's worth anything and that will continue to go up in value. So the second secret to a wealthy life is automatic wealth, right? Setting it up on autopilot and not having to worry about it. So if you ever read the book The Richest Man in Babylon, which I just did a book review about, the basic lessons in there is to always pay yourself first, right? A poor mindset has, they'll take their paycheck, go out and buy whatever they want to, pay their bills, and then they'll invest whatever is left over, if they have anything left over. A rich man's mindset is you get your paycheck, you pay yourself first, and then you pay your bills, and if there's anything left over, then you go and buy something that you want, right? Needs and wants. So with automatic wealth, you're basically setting up, it'd be like taking money out of your paycheck and have it automatically go over to your 401k plan, right? That's automatic wealth, right? So you want to have automatic wealth in place, because like Warren Buffett said, if you don't find a way to make money while you're sleeping, you're going to work until the day you die. So you want to be having something set up to where you're paying yourself and you're having your money work for you. All right. The third secret to a wealthy life is a better world, right? Making a real difference, doing something that you are proud of that helps others, and leaving a legacy, right? So you want to have an impact on this world. You want to have a positive impact on this world. You want to help others when you can. And you just want to, leave a legacy of that. Helping others, making an impact. The fourth key, or the secret to the wealthy life, is a simple system. You want to have a system in place that you can leverage that creates wealth for you. Okay? You want to have a system in place that works for you, leverages other people's efforts, and pays you. And this is called residual income. Okay? So doing something one time, or having a system in place that you set up one time that will pay you over and over and over again from your effort, from your one-time effort. Okay? So mailbox money, basically, that comes in automatically. And the cool thing is, and this is, when I say a system, something that works for you. Like I mentioned, how Warren Buffett says, if you don't find a way to make money while you're sleeping, you're going to work until the day you die. So having a system in place that you don't have to trade your time for hours, right? You set it up and you get paid around the clock. This is what creates wealth. This is what gives you time freedom. So the cool thing about all this is that Quicksilver Wealth Accelerated has all 4 of these secrets to the wealthy life, okay? We have precious assets that you can stack, and it's affordable for anyone's budget. We have automatic wealth building, right? Because we have what's called our auto wealth shipping, where you set up however much silver and or gold that you want delivered to your house every single month, right? It can be as little as $8.97. So like I said, there's something for everybody's budget. So we have the automatic wealth. You can help make the world a better place when you're part of our company, because the company takes part of the proceeds, and they have partnered with Feed My Starving Children, which is a nonprofit organization where about 92 to 95% of all donations that come in actually go to the cause. All right. So Quicksilver takes part of their proceeds and donates it to Feed My Starving Children, and we help feed starving children around the world. And they do other things as well. They help families learn skills and things like that. It's a really, really nice nonprofit organization. So you're making an impact on the world, okay? And then we have a simple system. So we have a system that's in place, okay? Like when I show you this, and I talk about it in my other videos, where you can get a free silver bar just by checking out the opportunity, right? You can go to silverstackingempire.com, get a free piece of silver just for taking a look. And the system that they have set up, which is absolutely genius, does all the selling and telling for you, right? It has sales pages. It has autoresponders. It literally does everything for you on autopilot, all right? You just have to get people over to your system, which is super easy. I show everyone who joins me how to do this, all right? Basically how I do it is I create content on YouTube and Facebook. I mail out letters, right? I'm going to the post office right now. And then I use drop cards and these business cards. Of course, the drop cards, right? So I use the business card that I just showed you. And I have these $100 drop cards. When people pick it up, they'll see, own real money, hedge against inflation, earn income, feed hungry children. Full details at silverstackingempire.com. So you basically just share the opportunity however you like to share opportunities. And when somebody goes and enters into the system will do everything for you. All the selling and telling, the follow-up emails, everything, right? Once in a while, you'll get an email or a call from somebody who has a quick question. And other than that, that is all that I do, right? That is all that I do. And we're building a huge team right now, a huge organization, because people are seeing the value in Quicksilver. It's been around since 2019, and the owners are super transparent. They're continuously doing things to make everything better for everyone involved. And it's just a really fun opportunity, right? It's just a fun opportunity. And if you're not into the opportunity, you can still purchase silver and gold from the company and still help feed starving children, okay? But if you want to not only stack silver and gold and build your investment portfolio, but you want to have a way to earn additional income, right, to supplement or replace your income, depending on how much of a go-getter you are and how much action you take, then you can become a wealth ambassador and get your own precious metals business, okay? So it's really awesome. Go check it out. Get a free piece of silver anyway. If that's all you do, just go and at least, at the very minimum, get a free piece of silver. And then start looking into silver and gold. I mean, right now it's hot, and it's going to continue to go up in value, all right? So if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. But Quicksilver brings all 4 of the secrets to the wealthy life in one platform, which is super cool, okay? So if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. If you find value in this video or any of my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.